Hello?
Hi, is this William?
Yes.
Hi, William. My name is Zachary. I'm calling you from the service department on a recorded line. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
That's good to hear. So we're calling because we were alerted your 2017 GMC Sierra is past due for an oil change. We were just calling to get you scheduled for that for your preferred time and day.
The app says it's like 78% still on the oil.
78? Okay. Did you go and get that done elsewhere last time?
I don't think so, but it sits in a garage 6 months of the year.
Oh, okay.
So
all right. That's probably why then.
It's had less than 500 miles since I did the oil, and I think the oil was done in May.
I see April on my screen, so yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well, if we do recommend changing that oil at least once a year. You're coming up on that timeline here in a couple of months.
Yeah.
Are you gonna want to get that changed before I don't know, May or June of this year?
Yes, I will definitely have it done before I put it in storage.
Okay. Did you want to go ahead and get that scheduled, and let's just go ahead and take that off your
Yeah, we can schedule it. That would be fine.
Okay. All right. And so I do need to verify some information for you. We have an email address.
That's correct.
Okay. And the phone number we're calling you on, is that the best number for a text message confirmation?
Yes. Uh-huh.
All righty. And then last thing to verify, we have you at correct still?
That is correct.
Perfect. Do you know the approximate mileage on the vehicle? Last time we had about 23 on there.
It can't be more than, I'm going to guess, 25.
24? 25?
20,
okay.
Probably, it can't be more than 25, so.
Okay.
I've just driven to San Diego a few times.
Absolutely. And I did look for any recalls.
It was. No, I'm not aware of any recalls, and I've checked the app a few times.
Yeah. So it was at 23, but I did look for recalls and I didn't see any. So I'll just put 24 on there, and they'll update that. Yeah, you're welcome. And let's see. So you don't need a tire rotation yet, especially if you got that done last time. Yeah, you want to stick to the mileage on that one for sure. Do you have a preferred service advisor when you come in for service with us, or just whoever's available? Okay.
And Monday is usually the best day for me.
Perfect. And do you usually drop that vehicle off or wait for this?
I usually wait for it.
Wait for it, okay. Would you like to do end of April or early May?
Let's do end of April is great.
Okay, so let's look at the 18th or the 25th. Let's stick with the 18th, make it as close to that year mark as possible. Don't really want to go too much over. Let's see. So we have, would you like a morning or an afternoon?
Let's do morning.
Okay. All right, so we have 8:30, 9:30, and 10:30 for you?
And that is a Monday?
That is a Monday, yes, sir.
9:30 would be great.
Okay. All right, so you'll receive a confirmation text message and email shortly. We'll also send you reminders leading up to the appointment about a week prior and then a day or so prior as well, just to remind you of this. I do want to thank you for being a valued customer with us here at Jessup Auto Plaza and allowing us to get you pre-booked for this appointment. If anything comes up, feel free to give us a call. We can push that back, push that forward or pull it back if you needed to. Hope you have a fantastic rest of the weekend, and we look forward to seeing you at 9:30, Monday, April 18th. I do have your advisor as Ron, and I have you in the waiting room for that lube oil filter change.
Awesome. Okay. Thanks for your call. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Thank you as well.
Have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye.